Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared tahini in a very simple manner at home itself. We can use tahini in salads, shawarma and in other recipes. So in my upcoming shawarma recipe I'll be using tahini. All the ingredients used in this recipe friends will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. For this recipe, I'll be using white sesame seeds, friends. So the amount of sesame seeds that you have reserved, the same amount of oil is what we require. You can use canola oil or sunflower oil, but don't use any strong flavored oils. We'll start dry roasting the sesame seeds, friends. So I've heated a wok on medium flame and I'll add my sesame seeds to the hot wok, and I'll keep stirring this and dry roasting the sesame seeds until it starts to splutter. Once it starts to splutter and it stops, that's when I'll remove this from the flame. Very simple trick to start dry roasting your sesame seeds is always heat your wok well ahead of time on low flame. Once your wok is nice and hot, that is when you have to add the sesame seeds and start dry roasting it. It will instantly dry roast, so you don't have to keep stirring it. For approximately 2 minutes, if you keep stirring this, it will dry roast fast and it will start to crackle. So that's when it will release all that good aroma. So this is one trick I can tell you when you're preparing tahini. Make sure you dry roast your sesame seeds, it will grind faster also. So once I have dry roasted my sesame seeds, I'll remove this from the flame and I'll allow it to cool down a bit, because once it is cooled down a bit, then it's easier for us to grind it. And once it is cooled down, I'll add it to the mixer jar and grind it. Many people have been asking me about my Prestige mixer jars. It is working absolutely fantastic. The only problem I faced was last year. The switch I had to change. Once I got that bullet or the mixer jar serviced from the service center, it's working well. So now you can see my sesame seeds have ground. I'll be adding oil and a little bit of salt. I like to add salt, but you can avoid salt. Normally they don't add salt in tahini, but I added little bit of salt and I've ground this into a smooth paste. Once I've ground the tahini into a smooth paste, I'll be adding it to a small box that I'm going to store in the fridge, and I'll store it. This stores up to 2 to 3 weeks. We can use tahini in different recipe, friends, like shawarma, rolls and even salads. This is a very good condiment or the sauce you can prepare at home itself. So hope you all enjoyed this video recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. In my upcoming recipe video, I'll be showing you how to prepare shawarma. So these are all the prep work that I'm doing for my shawarma. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.